Okay, please excuse the hasty nature of this recording, as I am just making this as a kind of a quick follow-up to the whole DPR Jones thing. I understand that his account has been restored. I myself have been trying to make this video for a while, but Cam Studio is a bitch. So anyway, as you can see, I've got the Criminal Code of Canada page up, specifically the bit on perjury, sections 131, 132, and 133. And this is going to detail exactly how screwed VenomFangX is. Section 131 says that subject to subsection 3, everyone commits perjury to who, with intent to mislead, makes before a person who is authorized by law to permit it to be made before him a false statement under oath or solemn affirmation by affidavit, solemn declaration, or deposition, or orally knowing that the statement is false. The person authorized by law to permit the statement to be made before them would be YouTube. They are permitted under the DMCA to receive DMCA notices and take down videos based on the DMCA. The false statement under oath, the false statement would be the DMCA's filed by VenomFangX, which, as you can see in the U.S. Copyright Office page, if I can move this about a bit, Section 107, for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, including multiple copies for classroom use, scholarship, research, is not an infringement of copyright. Excuse it for cutting it off a bit. So criticism, obviously being the point of DPR's videos and most other videos that I would assume most other videos that VenomFangX has filed takedown notices against. So this constitutes a false statement under oath or solemn affirmation, being that you check the box saying that you understand that adverse legal consequences may result as a result of filing false notices. Please excuse me. I'm losing my words today. Anyway, now there's a couple caveats here. You have to know the statement is false, and second, it has to be with intent to mislead. So he's made his solemn affirmation. He's signed his affidavit that everything on the document is true. It's a court statement. Blah blah blah. And it even says subsection 1 applies whether or not a statement referred to in that subsection is made in a judicial proceeding. So he's not even saved under the fact that it's not in a court of law. Virtually it is, because it's a court document. So, first off, knowing the statement is false, go back 16 months. He's already got his apology. That's up on YouTube. I will be mirroring that on this channel for the express purpose of linking it in the annotations. Now, the intent to mislead also stems from that. He's already understood that what he is filing notice against are protected under fair use. And knowing that, as well as given the statements he has made and the videos he has displayed on his page with regards to DPR Jones, it is quite obvious that he is attempting to censor DPR Jones. He's attempting not only to censor him, but he's also attempting to discredit him. The intent to mislead is patently obvious from the attempts to discredit DPR Jones rather than accept that what he was committing was, in effect, perjury. In fact, the very action of his reoffense constitutes intent to mislead, because he's already made that apology. He has already admitted that what he has done, what he did in the past with false DMCAs, was a violation of the law. Now, punishment. This is legally prescribed punishment. You're guilty of an indictable offense, our Canadian word for felony, and liable to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 14 years. This is what I feel strongly should be left up to the judicial system. I would strongly advise anyone, not just strongly advise, don't go after him. Let the punishment be as prescribed by law. Let it be up to the judge. He is legally screwed. There's no reason whatsoever to go after him. He's committed perjury. He's demonstrably guilty of perjury. What else was I going to say? The last bit is that... Yeah, screw it. I completely forgot. Anyway, just don't go after him. Leave it up to the judge. Don't harass him. Don't send him private messages, anything. Harassing him will only actually build a case that he would have against you. So don't. And I will echo the sentiment that his family are very good people. I do trust DPR in saying that. I would expect him to have been in contact with Venom's dad following the events of 16 months ago. Oh, yes, one last part. Corroboration. No person will be convicted on the events of only one witness, evidence of one witness. Well, he's filed over 200 DMCA notices to multiple people, like Coctopus Prime is just one of them. Thunderfoot would count. And, of course, the evidence is corroborated in material particular by evidence anyway, so it's not like that subsection applies. Venom, if you're watching this, and I hope you are, give it up. Give it the fuck up. You're screwed, okay? And anyone else watching this, leave the guy alone. Let justice run its course. Thank you.